Jigwit istáchana agus fáilte go brennen CAA YouTube channel agus Wyatt is alamdom. Agus in here, we will be talking about this particular species of bird, which is the double-headed yellownape species. Along with this, of course, if you've noticed via my intro so far, my much beloved friend and pet, Polly, will be in this video, like a lot. And in fact, her photos will be the only photos I will be using of her species. Why? Realistically, yeah, you're going to be hearing her squawking like a lot. So, yeah. So, if you like videos on ornithology, which is the study of birds, then, consider becoming a subaroo. And I apologize for the change in scenery. My room is currently being occupied by the evil forces of my sister and her friends. So, yep. We're in the garage right now. So, yeah. Without further ado, please enjoy my first ornithology video. The species was officially discovered and documented in the late 1800s, but some records and quite a bit of evidence supports that the species had been known to our species, mankind, since at least the early to mid 1500s, as the species itself is commonly found in parts of Central and South Mexico and parts of Northern Central America. The double-headed yellownape's Latin name is Amazon erytrix. Along with this, the bird boasts a stocky length of 38 to 43 centimeters or 15 to 17 inches. The bird's preferred native habitat is forests and rainforests near bodies of water, such as rivers and lakes. Along with this, the very clearly evident, striking yellow dome is a very distinctive part of the bird's features.